Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to get out stubborn ball joints that are in spindles. Chances are if you're changing your ball joints, they've been in there for quite some time, and sometimes they can be just about impossible to get out. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I do it, and hopefully that helps you out the next time you have to do it. Alright, so stuff we're going to need for today, we're going to need one of these ball joint service kits you see in the red box there. If you don't want to buy one of those, you can usually rent those from places like AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts. It's actually free, but I think they usually make you put a deposit down when you take it, and when you come back you get it back. So if you don't have one of those, don't think you have to go out and buy one. You can usually find them there. I'm also going to be using a small sledgehammer, a pry bar, and a breaker bar. And I'm also going to make sure that I have eye protection for today. Alright, so the first thing we need to do here is go ahead and set up the ball joint service kit. We'll go ahead and put that onto the spindle, and then we'll go from there. You'll find once you start to tighten this down, the whole thing wants to turn. And if you don't have a vise, you can do what I'm going to do here, and you can take like a crowbar, pry bar, whatever you want to call it, and set it up so that'll keep the whole thing from turning. Now eventually we're going to get to a point where you either feel like you can't tighten it anymore, or you feel like you're going to break something. And that's when the sledgehammer that I mentioned earlier comes in handy. What we're going to do then is we're going to take the hammer and we're going to hit, without the breaker bar on there of course, we're going to hit the very end of the tool, and that usually is enough to shock this ball joint loose. Alright, so I don't know if you were able to hear it, but the last time I hit the tool with the hammer, it sounded a little bit different, and that was because the ball joint actually broke loose like I wanted it to. So like I said, that's usually enough to get this to break loose, and then from here we would just go ahead and continue to tighten the tool until the ball joint pushes the rest of the way out. And there you have it. That's how you do it. So next time you get one of these that's really stuck, give that a try, and I bet it works out for you. Alright everybody, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of this job. I hope today's video was helpful. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you did, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.